again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So it's Monday, I've got a mystery box. This is from Gelbox UK. They do ship worldwide. For anybody that doesn't know, Gelbox is a monthly subscription. You can buy them as a one-off as well. It's just a little mystery box that normally has 4 gels every month and a couple of little added extras. Gel boxes, they're all about the gels, and you get a different theme every month, and normally everything in the box is what you need to complete the little tutorial that comes in the box. You normally get a little vinyl sticker tutorial type thing, and yeah, everything in the box is what you normally need to complete that little tutorial. They're a fun little box to land on your doorstep every month, and the gels are Hema-Free. So shall we get into it and see what we got? So the theme this month, I think, is Fairy Garden. I think so. This is what the box looks like. Every month it's a different box. So we've got the little card that tells you everything that comes in the box, but we're going to look through it anyway. So I will let you screenshot that if you want to read it. Right, so this looks like the little tutorial this month. Floral. I've got a foil that looks just like this bottom one. This will give you an idea of the colours. So we've got green, purple, and this could possibly be a builder gel in the middle. We shall see. Right, I'm going to slide it off to the left and we'll go through it. So first we've got some butterfly stickers. You can never go wrong with butterfly stickers. All different colours. I like them. Oh, we've got some flowers on there as well. And then we've got these are 5D. Up until recently, I hated 5D stickers. I could never get them to look right, but I've got a little system now that personally for me works, and I love it. I finally get to use these 5D stickers and keep them 5D. Very cute. It's got butterflies on it as well. Right, we've got a magnet. So we have possibly got cat eye gels in here. Oh, we've got another vinyl. Very cute. I've been sticking a lot of these vinyl stickers on my laptop. That's nice. That can go on my laptop as well. I like that one. Right, we've got a cuticle oil, and we've got a dotting tool on that end, and it's a little kind of liner brush on that end. Nice skinny liner brush. Right, we've got some little pearls, all different size pearls. There's some gold caviar beads in the bottom as well. I think that is it. Right, let's get to the gels. I always say it, the star of the show. Right, so we've got 4 gels, and I said earlier these are all Hema-Free, but look at the size of these bottles, guys. 20ml. They are the biggest bottles of gel polish I have ever seen. So I can show you everything that comes in the box now. So the 4 Hema-Free gel polishes, 2 of them are magnetic gels and 1 of them is a builder gel. Right, so let's have a look at the builder gel first. So this is called Marshmallow. Oh gosh, it just does look like marshmallow as well. It's a real kind of milky pink. I do like that. Yeah, this is nice. Really, really nice pale milky pink. So that's the colour of the builder gel. I'm really struggling with my lighting today. I think it's because I'm wearing these black gloves. I had my lighting set up to wear pink gloves, and just things like pink gloves and black gloves can completely change the shade on your lighting. So I just think it's because I'm wearing black gloves. So I'm just going to take my black gloves off the screen to give you a better idea of the colour. It's just a really nice milky pink, isn't it? Very nice. Huge 20ml bottle of builder there. I love to see builders in big bottles like that. Right, so gels we have got, let me just show you these guys. So we have got Fairy Pearl 1 and Fairy Pearl 2. So I think these are obviously from the same kind of collection. So we'll start with number 1. So these are the magnetic ones. So I've got the little magnet out. I'm not really a fan of these little magnets, although they do work. So let's have a go. These gels look beautiful just by themselves, don't they, like this? They just look like a kind of pearly kind of texture to them, haven't they? Look at that. Just by itself, it's a beautiful colour. It's full of bumps, Aggie. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm not a fan of these magnets. I can never hold them. I can never hold them right. Oh, these are very pretty magnetic gels, aren't they? No, I can never hold these magnets properly, so I'm just going to get one of my own magnets out, guys. So I'm just going to use my own magnet. Oh wow, look at the difference when you use a proper magnet. Look at this, guys. Wow, that's amazing. I really like these plain cat eyes that have just got that silvery white kind of pigment going through it. Aren't they beautiful? Very pretty. So I'm just going to do a little flicker up each side just to bring the magnetic particles to the top. That's a beautiful cat eye. It really is. I've not seen one that colour. And then I'm just going to do the same again with the pink. So I've done that one just a little bit different. Very pretty. Right, and lastly for the gels, we've got Peach Melba. Yeah, this is like a slightly nudish baby pink, isn't it? Slightly toned down kind of baby pink. So that is them all swatched. That was the Milky Pink Builder Gel, and that was the 3 gel polishes. I do like these cat eyes. But anyway, guys, that is all I have got time for today. I just wanted to get this box out to you and show you what was in it. I think it's a really pretty box, and personally I do prefer the boxes that have a builder gel in them, only because I build nails from scratch, quite long ones, whereas I know a lot of the girls would prefer 4 gel polishes because they like to just paint their natural nails. But me personally, yeah, I do prefer the boxes that have got a builder gel in them. So I'm really happy with this box. I'm really happy with the colours, obviously, because we've literally got 3 pinks. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget, I've got a 15% discount code for Gelbox. It'll all be down in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.